Weather. Here's Jay Wynn.
Thanks, Anna. You say it's cold, but over the next few days, come Friday, well, it's really going to feel very cold indeed. A cold northerly wind pushing across the UK with a significant wind chill factor and some snowfall. But it's not too cold this afternoon across Scotland. We've got some brighter skies for eastern Scotland, but you notice a band of rain pushing into the north. Elsewhere it is fairly cloudy and grey, one or two patches of fog still lingering on. And a similar story across northern England. The fog lingers on. And we've got some brighter weather to the east of the Pennines, but it's rather grey for East Anglia, through the southeast of England, limited brightness here, and through the Midlands as well. Quite grey, some fog lingering on, but down across the southwest it should be a very nice afternoon. Not quite so cold, 12 or so degrees with some sunshine, but it's grey again across Wales and grey too for Northern Ireland. Still quite misty and murky in places. Now, through the afternoon on into the evening, well, mist and fog will become quite widespread again, I think, for a time across England and Wales. While further north, that band of rain, patchy rain, spreading its way across much of Scotland into northern England and eventually into Northern Ireland. Not quite as cold as it has been overnight tonight, but still probably low enough for a touch of frost in some of the more rural spots. To the morning, still a little bit of fog to get rid of across East Anglia and the far southeast. And then we're watching these bands of rain just slipping their way across England and Wales. Most of the rain fairly light and patchy, and come the afternoon we'll see something brighter developing across northern England as the cold air really begins to dig in. And that cold air will be across Scotland for much of the day tomorrow, and it will be quite a noticeable feature. It'll feel cold, and we're also going to see some wintry weather. Snow showers over the higher ground of Scotland, and with some pretty strong winds, we will see blizzard conditions here. Now, the winds I mentioned, they're cold, they're northerly, the air is coming all the way from the Arctic, and that cold air will be blasting right the way across the UK into Friday, certainly making it feel sub-zero almost everywhere. So a very cold day to come for the end of the week. Not only will it be cold and windy, but we've got some significant snow to come. A mixture of sleet and snow for the northeast of the UK, while in these western areas I think we could well see some significant snow, particularly over the higher ground, 10 to 20 centimetres possible. Those are the temperatures on the face of it, but it will feel sub-zero. So on Friday, the Met Office is watching this one carefully. Heavy snow, very strong, cold northerly winds. The combination is likely to produce some travel problems. But the good news is the cold, wintry weather shouldn't last for too long. It's still unsettled on Saturday with some showers, but drying up through Sunday. Anna.